22, it says to solve this problem algebraically, and then it says you can check the solutions in your graphing calculator, but you want to start by solving it algebraically, no problem. Remember when we solve things algebraically, a system of equations, we can either do substitution or we can do elimination. I like elimination a little bit better. So before I can do elimination, first I'm going to have to kind of line this problem up to where the x's are in a column, the y's are in a column, etc., etc. So I can see that this 1 would need to move over to this side. And then after that, I kind of want to rearrange it. So like I'd want my x square, well no, first I guess I better do, let's make an x square column, an x column, a y column equals, and then a number column. So for the first equation, there is no x squared, so that's no problem. And then we have x. Maybe I should do this in a different color, huh? Okay. And then I have x minus y equals, and then we had moved that 1 over there, so minus 1. Okay, and then the second equation, first let's put our negative x squared. Okay, we don't have a plain x, so we'll just kind of leave that blank. And then we have positive y. And we have equals negative 5. So then with elimination, you total it up to get one of the variables to cancel. And this one's already ready to go because we have the minus y and the plus y, which are going to end up eliminating. So now we just total it up. So we got minus x squared plus x minus y plus y eliminates, and then equals negative 1 minus 5 is negative 6. Then to solve it for x, we're going to need to move everything over to the same side. So I like my x squares to be positive, so let's move everybody over to this side. So this is going to change to a positive x squared and negative x. That's going to stay at negative 6. And then it would equal 0. Then we're going to factor it. So let me take a second to reset my board. Okay, I fixed it to where I have more space now. So we were just about to factor this to find out what x equals. It's trinomial, so what's going to add up to negative 1 and multiply to negative 6. Between 1 and 6 or 2 and 3, I'm thinking 2 and 3 if 3 is negative. So x minus 3, x plus 2. And then you actually want to solve it for x, so you set these little factors equal to 0 and solve, which basically just flips the sign. So we have x equals positive 3 and x equals negative 2. And I know you might be thinking, oh, I've got 2 solutions, so I'm done. But yeah, but we need to know what the y is for each of these solutions. So we're nearly there, but not quite. So now we need to figure out what y equals for each of these. For that, it's real easy. Just go back and plug it in to one of these equations up here. I happen to like the top one a little bit better, so let's plug the 3 in there. So let's do 3 minus y plus 1 equals 0. Combine that, that makes 4 minus y equals 0. So 4 equals y, so that goes with this one. And then let's plug in the negative 2 to find out the rest of that solution. So negative 2 minus y plus 1 equals 0. Combine, that makes negative 1 minus y equals 0. So negative 1 equals y. So then that goes there. And now you have both solutions to your problem. And that wasn't that bad, was it? Okay, if you need more tutoring, contact me. The contact information is at the end of the video or down below in the description. Thanks.